Our skin is the body's largest organ, and also one of the most exposed. Every day, it faces sunlight, pollution, chemicals, and the natural effects of aging. Over time, this exposure can lead to changes that increase the risk of skin cancer, the most common form of cancer in the United States. But here's the good news. While genetics and age do play a role, most skin cancer cases are preventable. By understanding how your skin works and taking a few natural, consistent steps, you can dramatically lower your risk and keep your skin healthy, youthful, and strong. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Vero Med, click the like button, and turn on notifications. We share evidence-based health tips every week to help you live longer, stronger, and healthier, naturally. Now, let's dive into how you can protect your skin from cancer the natural way. 1. Understand what causes skin cancer. Before you can prevent skin cancer, it's essential to know what causes it. The main culprit is ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun and tanning beds. UV rays damage the DNA inside your skin cells, which can lead to abnormal cell growth, the foundation of cancer. There are two main types of UV rays, UVA and UVB. UVA rays penetrate deeply and contribute to aging and long-term damage. UVB rays burn the top layers of your skin and are directly linked to cancer formation. Overexposure to either type without protection increases your risk. But sunlight alone isn't the only factor. Repeated sunburns, a weakened immune system, certain medications, and even environmental toxins can make your skin more vulnerable. 2. Eat a skin-protective diet. Your diet can literally defend your skin from the inside out. Certain nutrients strengthen the skin barrier, reduce inflammation, and help repair damaged DNA. Here are some science-backed foods that protect your skin. Tomatoes. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant shown to reduce UV-induced skin damage. Carrots and sweet potatoes, packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, crucial for skin repair. Green tea, rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that can reduce sunburn and oxidative stress. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against light-induced skin aging. Berries. High in vitamin C and anthocyanins, helping skin regenerate and neutralize free radicals. Aim for a colorful plate. The more natural pigments in your food, the more antioxidants your skin gets. 3. Stay hydrated for skin repair. Your skin is about 60% water, and dehydration makes it more prone to cracking, irritation, and slower healing, all of which can worsen UV damage. Drink plenty of clean water throughout the day. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing boost. Also include water-rich foods like cucumbers, melons, and oranges. Hydration helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin elastic, both important for long-term protection. 4. Practice safe sun habits. Avoiding sunlight entirely isn't realistic, and it's not healthy either. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D. The goal isn't to hide from the sun, but to enjoy it wisely. Here's how. Avoid peak hours. Stay out of direct sunlight between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. when UV rays are strongest. Seek shade whenever possible, especially outdoors for long periods. Wear protective clothing. Long sleeves, hats, and sunglasses can block up to 98% of UV rays. Use umbrellas or wide-brim hats when walking outside. Small daily habits like these go a long way toward keeping your skin safe. 5. Use natural sunscreen wisely. Sunscreen is one of the most effective tools against skin cancer, but many commercial brands contain chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate that can irritate the skin or disrupt hormones. Instead, look for mineral-based sunscreens made with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These minerals act as a physical barrier, reflecting UV rays rather than absorbing them. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher, and reapply every 2 hours when outside. For a natural boost, look for added ingredients like green tea extract, vitamin E, or shea butter. 6. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Chronic stress and poor sleep weaken your immune system, the body's natural defense against abnormal cell growth, including cancer cells. When you sleep, Your body repairs damaged tissues and balances hormone levels that affect inflammation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Try deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga to calm your mind. Studies show that mindfulness-based stress reduction can even improve skin barrier recovery and reduce inflammation markers. 7. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both smoking and alcohol accelerate skin aging and increase cancer risk. Smoking reduces oxygen flow to your skin and damages collagen, making it harder for skin to repair itself. Alcohol, especially in excess, dehydrates the skin and increases inflammation. Cutting back or quitting entirely not only helps your skin but your heart, lungs, and immune system, too. 8. Support your skin with key vitamins. Vitamins play a crucial role in preventing DNA damage and promoting healthy cell turnover. Vitamin D, essential for immune function, but avoid getting it from excessive sun exposure. Supplement if necessary. Vitamin E acts as a natural sunscreen by absorbing UV energy and reducing oxidative stress. Vitamin C boosts collagen and protects against free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish, flaxseed, or walnuts reduce inflammation and protect cell membranes. Always talk to your doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you take medications. 9. Be aware of environmental toxins. Chemicals in everyday life, from cleaning products to skincare, can affect your skin health. Choose natural and fragrance-free products when possible. Avoid products containing parabens, phthalates, or synthetic dyes, as they can irritate your skin and interfere with hormone balance. Also, keep your home ventilated and consider using an air purifier if you live in an area with high pollution. Studies link airborne toxins to increased oxidative stress, which contributes to skin aging and cancer. 10. Do regular skin self-checks and screenings. Even if you follow every prevention step, regular monitoring is key. Skin cancer, when caught early, is highly treatable. Check your skin monthly for new or changing moles, spots, or growths. Remember the ABCDE rule. For asymmetry, one half doesn't match the other. B for border, edges are irregular or blurred. C for color, multiple shades or uneven tone. D for diameter, larger than a pencil eraser. E for evolving, any change in shape, color, or size. If you notice anything unusual, see a dermatologist immediately. Conclusion: protect your skin, protect your life. Your skin is not just a surface. It's a living organ that reflects your overall health. By combining natural lifestyle habits, nutrition, sun safety, and mindful living, you can reduce your risk of skin cancer dramatically. Prevention doesn't mean restriction, it means empowerment. You have the ability to protect your body every day through small, smart choices. So, eat colorfully, stay hydrated, protect yourself from excessive sun, and listen to your body. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health. Your support helps us reach more people with life-changing, science-based health education. Remember, your skin protects you every day. Now it's your turn to protect it. Green Heart.